वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, साऊद आनी भलायकीन. And today I am going to show you all how to make Goan Coconut Chicken Arroz or Goan Coconut Chicken Rice. So for that we need whatever, like with bones, without bones, it's up to you. Any chicken part, whichever you want to take. I have taken 1/4 kg of chicken with bones. Then this is 1 cup of rice, that is basmati rice, Daawat basmati rice, that is pulao rice. And then I have taken, this is the thick coconut juice, 1 cup, and 1 cup is thin coconut juice. So we need thick and thin for this rice. Then what I have, some coriander leaves and some mint leaves and some curry leaves. Then these are the main, which is our this of this rice, that is our allspice leaves, where 5 spices flavor is there in these leaves. Okay, so I am using 4 out of this. Okay, if you just take it in your mouth, you will understand what I mean to say. All 5 spices flavor is there. That is of cardamom, then that is of cardamom, pepper, cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Okay, so if you are trying to grow this plant, very good, but you need care also while you are planting this plant. Then we need around 2 onions, this much size of ginger, and these are like 7 I have taken garlic, but I will crush this both. Then what I would say, the main of this rice, that coconut rice, I am not going to add a drop of oil also. So this is 0 oil, without oil, Goan Coconut Chicken Arroz. So I have applied salt to this. Now we will add the chicken, onion. So we add the chicken and onion together. Then we will add this. And one I will leave whole. Then we add our crushed ginger garlic. And our mint, coriander leaves and curry leaves. So now let's add a thin layer of coconut milk and cook this. And we'll cook this till our chicken is cooked. Salt, extra salt, we will check it later. So cover and cook this till our chicken is nicely cooked. So now our chicken is almost cooked, not fully. Now we will add a thick coconut juice and give one boil, and then we will add our rice to this. Salt we will have to check because I had applied for the chicken, so then we have to check later. So now the boil is come. So now this is the time we will add our rice, which is washed and soaked. So for 1 cup, 2 cup of 1 thick cup of coconut juice and 1 thin cup of coconut juice. So it's always double the process, portion for anything, whether water or what. Cover and cook this now on medium flame. At this point we will also check our salt and we will add accordingly. Need little bit, so now I will add little. And the one leave on top. And now low flame. And here is our Goan chicken arroz is ready, and we will close the gas and let it be in this only steam for few minutes before serving. तर ह्यो जावन आसा आमचो कोकोनट चिकन कोकोनट चिकन आरोस तयार आसा. आणि enjoy this. Thank you so much. So I'll put off the gas now. Let it be like this only for few minutes, at least 10 to 15 minutes. Just leave it like this only, and on its own it will be then nicely done. Thank you so much.
And it's ready to eat Goan Coconut Chicken Arroz. Tasty and yummy.